So this is welding. There are three different types of welding. This will be the intro to welding. There are three types. There are MIG, TIG, and stick. Today we have MIG. So what we're gonna do is we have a plate here. We're gonna have Lazer weld for us. You can see the plate right here. And he'll be using MIG. So in MIG, basically just use a gun and it fires and it welds things together. So as you can see, it creates a welding pool behind it and creates filler material. And this is just a flat plate today. Now we could use different types, but this is just a flat plate today. We can use this to conjoin two types of metal together. I think I like learning with my hands. I think just doing things that isn't just sitting in a classroom. I think that's a big part for me.
I think it's a great idea for us to be out here so we can show these kids what we do and motivate them, inspire them, get them to come out and see if they want to do this as a career. They can practice, get to know how to do it, fall in love with it like me and Preston did.
Height and all that. Yeah.